battle this dreaded disease, which is actually 100% fatal, but we are very glad it is also 100% preventable. So allow me to welcome you all, dear ladies, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. Siyempre, acknowledge natin, siyempre, yung ating mga kaibigan coming from the Department of Health Center for Health Development 3, Region 3. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude sa ating pong beloved Director, Dr. Corazon R. Torres, and also to the Chief of the Local Health Support Division, Dr. Maria Loisa Vidar, and Sir Dr. J.M. Manluta for actually sponsoring this tremendous activity. Actually, sila po yung nagbigay ng resources para po sa atin. Kasi before, we celebrate our Rabies Awareness Month, through Water Day, through the vaccination, but this is the first time again after several years. Kasi way back 2017, if I'm not mistaken, we were also the host of the same activity, wherein we also tried to gather all the different stakeholders to combat this dreaded disease po. So thank you po sa inyong pag-alala muli sa ating municipality of Ginta, para po maging recipient ng ating program ngayong taon. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the representative of our beloved municipal mayor, Sir Alvin Padre, our executive assistant, and also our MLGO, nandun si Sir Dukes, Sir Rodolfo Guzman for his presence right now. Also, coming from the different areas, from PJD, ang ating, kumbaga sa haven for referral dito sa ating province of Nueva Ecija. Of course, represented by Dr. Elaine Bustillos and Dr. Jason. Good morning po. Kindly stand for or raise your hand to be recognized. Hindi po tayo nakakalimutan ng ating PJD at pinupuntahan po tayo dahil mahal po nila tayo. Also, our friends coming from Talavera General. Sir, Sir Eric also, and good morning po. Our friends also coming from the Uyapo Infirmary. Doc. Also coming from the Santo Domingo District, may konti ko po, may pasensya po. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, yung iba, ngayon ko lang namin ulit From Dr. Lisa Gaul, andyan po siya. And also, Dr. Marilyn Batangan. Opo, nabihan ng ating pagkain ng Kapag-Viber kasi pangalan sa familiar name here, family name here in Gimba. Sa po yan sa mga elite dito sa Gimba. Kaya, and then also, syempre, hindi po mawawala ang aking kumadre. Ang may-ari po actually ng ating Gimba General Hospital, which is also a very integral partner ng ating health system dito sa First District of Nueva Ecija, Dr. Rebecca Luma. And her daughter, pamangkin po. So, welcome po, Doktora. Mamaya, pag-usapan natin yung inilalang ng Doktora sa lalapit po tayo. And also our friends from the different rural health units. Nandito na po ba ang representative natin from Aliaga? On the way, si Dr. Marcos as well as Dr. Gian Tadeo po. Also from representative from Aling Subayo po. Nandito na rin po ba? On the way din. Nakapol, si Dr. And also from our, syempre, hindi mawala yung ating representative ng ating ito. Kasi si Doc Edwin, nasa pala po na si Doc Edwin, Siyempre, we are very familiar with our dear friend, Ma'am Loida Maximo, which is the Jewish representative for she's representing the Jewish Office of Indonesia through Dr. Edwin Santiago. And also our representative also from Provincial Health Office, she's representing also yung ating Provincial Health Officer, Dr. Josie Garcia. She's actually the rabies program coordinator for the province of Nueva Ecija. Ma'am Maria Teresa Mendoza. So, welcome po. Maraming po salamat. And also, siyempre, tuloy natin yung roll call natin sa ating mga kaibigan sa different RHU. Yung dati pong boyfriend, Ma'am Loida, hindi ko alam kung sila pa rin ngayon. Pero magkatabi sila. Actually, he's a very dear friend of mine, Dr. Benjamin Maximo, Municipal Officer. From Para sa municipality of Santo Domingo, natalaman ko na po sila, pero hindi ko nalapitan kanina sa ulit. Dr. Dexter Martin Ismail, good morning po. Mga young blood din po Kasi when I was, that was decades ago, when I was the president of the MACA, ako na lang yung uhugin noon. Sila kasi lang medyo matatanda. Pero ngayon, parang ako na yung matanda, kayo na yung uhugin. So, mukhang things have changed, sabi nga po nila. And also, one of our kababayan, also the very beautiful, yung ating Dr. Municipal Health Officer of the Municipality of Quezon, the very beautiful Dr. Katrina Angela Esquivel. Ayun patay kasi maraming pinakain ko. And also, syempre, inaantay po natin yung representative coming from Zaragoza, our very dear friend of Dr. Sherry Calderon, and also from Talavera, Dr. Ayoni Lucas, and also from the municipality of Talanto, Dr. Dali Prado, papunta na po kasi po parang we are trying to review the different activities which is being conducted today, parang nagkapatong-patong po yata. So I think that is usually palagi naman pong nangyayari nun kasi kahit nasa RHU pa ako, maraming trainees po talaga so, which is what we are very glad that you are here. And also we would like to acknowledge the presence ng ating mga kasama sa barangay. Actually, yung aking kapitana, Dr. Kapitana, Mirna Aquino, Barangay San Roque po. Yung ating Barangay Secretary from Tampaclos, Maayutes, nandiyan po ba? Ayun, thank you po kayo ma'am. So, siyempre, mga meeting na barangay workers, barangay technicians. Siyempre, hindi ko makakalimutan yung mga kasama ko sa munisipyo ng Nimba. Yung ating pong tatlong RH doon. Unahin na natin si Dr. yung napakapil po at daily face, hindi ko matanda, ang aming puting kaibigan, Dr. Oscar Romano. And siyempre, yung tingyan na natin po. And also, yung ating tinatawag na tahimik pero mapanganig. Dr. Ed Dinilla. And of course, sabi ko na, hindi ko ipamalaki ko yung aking kasama sa aking Gimba Community Hospital po. Siyempre, yung aking assistant chief, ang batang-bata. Stunning and beautiful also. Assistant chief of and ang aking newly promoted na hospital administrator, hindi pa nag-blow up, Manjana Bernardine Paigay. And also yung aking napaka-isip, ayun, natalaman ko na yung mga kakaway po, is that Ma'am Vicky, end of day. Good morning po. We are very glad for you to come here. Yung pong napaka-isip ko na receptionist, yung aking chief nurse, Sir Jersa, very nice. Dating mga staff din yan, Dr. Laguma ng dinay ko. And syempre, yung aming assistant release coordinator, Ma'am Joanne, Sebastian Villa, and yung ating staff, si Ma'am Sunshine, Katabola. And syempre po, hindi po matapos ang pag-welcome natin at masasalamat. Doon po sa pagkilala, doon sa isang staff po natin, na siya yung talagang punong abala dito po sa atin. Hindi ko kaya na-acknowledge si Dr. Radabaldela. Siya po yung ating municipal veterinarian. Siya po yung napakasipag na nag-iikot. Kasi pag tinitignan ko si Doktora, hindi tumatanda talaga parang natin-alien talaga nakakaingit. Kasi ako parang nagiging lolo na kaagad pero sila hindi. So, welcome po pati. Kasi sabi ko she is one of the very integral part of the RABIES program. RABIES program na ito sa ating munisipyo. Siyempre, itutuloy ko po, hindi ko talaga matatapos yung aking pag-acknowledge sa ating mga kasama rito, lalo na po sa ating magsipag, mabait, toxic. The RABIES program nurse coordinator na dito po hindi hospital, si Ma'am Richie President. Siya po yung superwoman na RABIES program. Siya po yung sa kanyang keystone ng RABIES program implementation natin. When it comes to vaccination, dito po sa ating municipality. So, thank you very much, Ma'am Richie. Kasi siya yung nag-ayos po lahat dito. siya po yung talagang naging punong kabala para po dito sa ating activity na ito. So, I hope that you will enjoy your stay. Medyo sino po ang nahirapan pumunta dito? Taas kamay. Medyo malayo lang po, pero I think makikita niyo po yung facility. This is actually one of the hidden treasures ng aming municipality. Pinipapakita po namin ito. Bago lang po itong resort ito, pero po tayong meetings po dyan. If you have time later on, pwede niyo pong tingnan ating mga ostrich, pero pagkatanawan nyo na po yata, may iba pa pong animals na dyan. So you can go around. Well, sabi ko nga po, hindi ko naman na po makakatagalin, pero I'm really very happy na nandito po kayo and we welcome you all dito po sa ating one. This is such a great gathering of minds actually, and there is great opportunity to be established, to be made here, na sana once and for all, magkakaisahan natin. I don't know if this will preempt the lecture kasi last year, nagkaroon po kami talaga ng rapist mortality. We had one rapist mortality here. I remember it vividly because it happened on a Holy Thursday. It was a holiday and everybody was busy kasi nalaman namin dumating yung patient sa amin. The patient was already symptomatic. So there's really nothing we can do about it. So what we did was try to coordinate it with San Lazaro because yun pa rin naman po yung referral natin. And I hope na later on in the future, tayo na rin po tayo ng new sport natin sa ating Paulino de Garcia para po mas malapit na. And to cut the story short, na-diagnose, na-identify po namin, hindi po namin na-diagnose, na-identify po namin siya ng Thursday morning, dinala po ng San Lazaro. Eventually, after a few hours, pagdating ko doon, nag-expire po yung pasyente. Which is very sad. Why? Kasi po, during that time, sinabihan na po yung pasyente na magpapakulan. Pinuntahan na po ng PHW, pinuntahan na po ng kapitan. Actually, kapinigo pa po yun, kamag-anak po namin. So, nung nasabihan po siya, pero the problem is, ayaw talaga ng pasyente. Ang masakit, syempre, marami siyang nahuli ng mga anak. So, yun po yung nakakatawa. So, that is what we are trying to prevent right now. Sana po, kahit pa paano, mawala na yung mga ganun kaso. Kasi po, sabi ko nga po, it is 100% preventable. So, syempre, nandiyan po yung ating mga generous sponsors coming from the Department of Health, those who are continuously providing us with the vaccines, as well as the training needed to expand yung ating anti-rabies control program. So, we will see later on na meron din training, and I hope maraming din magiging beneficiary ng training coming from the First District of Malaysia. So, I'm really very glad na nakita ko yung mga dating kaibigan, dating kasama. And syempre, ang sama ng tingin sa akin mga taga-RH. Nandun ba? Taas nga po ng kamay, yung ating mga nurse dyan, si Ma'am Jenny, si Sir Marvin, ayun, si Ma'am, ano pa rin Ma'am Liwanag? Ana! At si Ma'am Dayan. Ano po? At syempre, yung mga kasama ni Dr. doon, ano po, mga parang tayo na sa kabisado. Ano po? At syempre, yung mga ibang pang nandito, yung mga hindi po na-acknowledge pa sa ano po, pero we welcome you to this momentous activity. And sabi ko nga po, I would like to repeat, this is a very important opportunity for us to strengthen our commitment to combat this dreaded disease. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta at maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Good morning po. Thank you.